welcome back to my channel, you guys. This is BeautybyAndreaMichelle, and today we are talking about eyeliners. We are going to be discussing 1, my favorite, 2, a few other favorites, and 3, you're going to watch me do my eyeliner on camera, which I think didn't come out that bad considering it was on camera. This one kind of fudged up a little bit, but you'll see why that happened. So let's focus on just this one. And yeah, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so let's get into talking about a few of my favorites, okay? First and foremost, I was stuck on one very specific eyeliner for, I want to say, maybe a few years, and it was a certain one from Mexico, and I unfortunately don't even have it anymore because I used it so much that I kind of like missed out on the other products out there. So let's get into the one that I prefer the most at the moment, and that is the one by Stila Cosmetics, and this is the Slay All Day, or maybe Stay All Day. Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner by Stila, and yes, this is a travel size because I got it at Sephora as, you know, to try it out. But I would definitely go back and purchase this. It is a felt tip, okay, and I will do a small swatch for you. There you go. So I just want to say first and foremost, I prefer felt tip liquid eyeliners. Because the precision that you can get from a felt tip is way better than one pencil. Like, anything is better than a pencil. And number 2, I feel like it is softer, definitely like on your skin. So again, better than a pencil because the pencil will tug at your skin and your eyelid skin is very sensitive. So this one is my absolute favorite. Now let me go into a few other dupes or a few other options if you can't get to the Stila one that are also felt tip. This one is by Tarte, and it is the Tartiest. I want to say this doesn't, I guess that's the brand, the name. Oh, Double Take, actually. It's called Double Take Eyeliner, and it's this guy. This one does come with the pencil side, but I actually broke it. And it does come again with the felt tip end. So again, you do get really nice precision. I wasn't too in love with this felt tip because it is a little bit on the thicker side, and I'm hoping that you guys can kind of see. But compared to the Stila one, the felt tip is actually a little thinner. So that's an amazing one. Bomb, 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 bomb. Number 3 is by NYX, and this is the Epic Ink Liner. Now this one was my go-to liner. I want to say specifically during Halloween because, again, the precision that you can get from a felt tip is absolutely amazing. And also, if you want to do a lot of fine details, which I was doing obviously to create like drawings on your face, this is a great, and also better for your pocket. So the only issue that I was having with this one, and that I know a lot of people were having, can't even get it open right now, is that it was bleeding. So the ink would kind of just like go all the way to the tip, and then when you would open it, it would just splash everywhere, which at the moment I'm not having. Ooh, see, it is bleeding right here. So I'm actually going to put that one back because I don't want it to spill all over. Another great one is by Kat Von D, the Tattoo Liner. Okay, if you can get your hands on this one. Also, it is a travel size. I got it at Sephora. Again, another felt tip. Really great. This one's even thinner. But it is a little bit on the drier side. This is cruelty-free also, so that's a plus. But it did dry out a little bit more than my other eyeliners. And another budget-friendly eyeliner is by Maybelline, and this is the Curvitude eyeliner. The reason why this one's pretty awesome is because of this curved handle here. So again, just kind of making it easy for your hand to kind of like go with the flow. It's crazy lines. And it, again, budget friendly, you know, so that you're not spending crazy amounts on just an eyeliner. I think that is it for the felt tips. So I guess a dupe to the one that I had been using for years was so first and foremost, actually, I was using a liquid eyeliner for like forever. I'm seriously talking about like maybe 5 years in a row, and I just could not get out of it. But again, I really like the liquid eyeliner because it was an oil base, so it was waterproof liquid eyeliner. So I could put on my liner and it would just stay for like literally the entire day. And people would ask me like, what eyeliner are you wearing? Like, oh my god. And I'd be like, oh, this is one from Mexico. And it was kind of frustrating because I could never recommend one that would, you know, serve one pigment, two, the amount of time that it lasts, wear, and number 3, precision. So the one that I found that was absolutely amazing is by Huda Beauty, and this is her eyeliner, Lifeliner. It does come with, boom, your pencil side, which is good for maybe like doing a smoking out moment, but the other side is the liquid. So it does come out, I can never get it right, yeah. Comes out like this. The point is a little bit on the, again, like a little thicker, but check that Mama Jamma out. Okay, let me do another one. So you can see it is just very, very pigmented. Like the color payoff is absolutely bomb. So it is, I want to say maybe in the 20-something price range, but it's really good, so if you're looking to treat yourself, then go ahead. Okay, you guys, so the moment of truth has come. I'm going to be doing my eyeliner on camera, which hopefully, God willing, will come out good. I'm not looking for perfect because, well, I am doing this on camera and I have a feeling that it won't come out perfect, but we're gonna try. So I'm not like that kind of makeup artist or person who does their eyeliner with the whole like graph and like, ooh, do one little line here and then one little line there. No, I just kind of go for it. But one tip, I'm trying to get really close to you here. One tip is to definitely use a mirror, but to have the mirror below you. So that way you're not looking up, because if you do draw your liner a little bit on the thicker side, when you look up, you will transfer the liquid liner to your lid, and you don't want that. So I have my mirror down below, and what I like to do is just kind of shake up the liner a little bit to make sure all that liner is right on the tip. And I'm gonna do one line in the center here first. Okay. So I kind of do like a baseline, if you will, so that I can have an idea of where to go from there. Now I am going to do, now is when I'm going to go to the end of my eye. And I'm going to do the flick of the wing, like so. So, flick of the wing. Now, 2 things can happen from here. I can either just go from the beginning of my eye and then connect it, or I can come back, like I can come from the end and then connect all the way. So that's something that I really see on Instagram, and it always makes me nervous, so I'm not going to do it. I'm going to just show you how I do it. Okay, so I'm going to come from the beginning, like that. So I have now hit the beginning of my eyelid. And as you can see, there's been an error, but that's okay, because we can fix that. So now is when the recommended way. Okay, so I can't really talk, so just bear with me. Okay, so I saved it. Obviously now my eye looks, the liner is thicker than what I had planned, but you know, that is usually how it happens. So go ahead and now fill in your gap. Boy, doing eyeliner and talking at the same time is crazy. Alrighty, you guys. So I put my mascara on. I kind of just concluded the whole look. I did put a little bit more red to the lip because the eyeliner intensifies your look. Obviously, depending on how thick or not thick you do your wing. You can go ahead and add lashes, but I just wanted to show you kind of like how I would do my liner on a daily basis. You can go as minimal or as maximum as you want. Eyeliner is something I think is definitely according to preference. Some girls think this is exaggerated and they're like, oh my gosh, she's got a freaking chola wing, or you know, like, it's totally up to you, but this is the magnitude of the eyeliner that I like. So I will show you the right one and the left one. I think it looks pretty decent. Eyeliner is definitely one of those things that can go very wrong very quickly. So if you are a beginner, then I would definitely suggest to take it in small steps. So, you know, do kind of like a thinner line and then work your way up from there. Alrighty, you guys, so that is it. That is the end of my video. I hope this was 1, helpful, 2, exciting to see my face again, 3, entertaining, look at my lovely manicure, and 4, I hope that you just overall enjoyed it and that maybe it make you look forward to slaying that face. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give me that little thumbs up and set up your notifications so that you will be the first one to know when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys.